Today we will be discussing exponential growth. Exponential function has a growth whose rate becomes even more rapid in proportion to the growing total number or size. First of all, the parent function is b to the x equals y. B is a constant, x is an input, and y is the output. In this case, let b equal 5 and x equal 2 in order for us to find our y value. When plugged into the formula, we get 5 squared. 5 squared means that we will be multiplying 5 to itself 2 times. That is to say, 5 times 5, in order to get 25 as our y value.
The application of exponential growth is paying it forward. In paying it forward, people may think they aren't making a difference, but helping just 2 people can go a long way.
Can I give you a hug?
Yeah, of course.
Well, tonight, hearts are melting for this Valley woman, featured in a viral video. She's been down on her luck, and so many of you have been asking how to lift her spirit.
Let's assume that x equals the number of trials and y equals the number of people. In the first trial, 2 people are helped, and in the second trial, the people helped from the previous trial each help 2 more. How many trials will it take to help at least 1,000 people? The way we can solve this problem is by plugging in numbers to the parent function until we achieve our desired y value. In the problem, we are given the values 1 and 2 already. We can start by trying the number 3. 2 cubed is only 8, so we try a bigger number like 6. We get 64, which is a big number, but not close to 1,000. So now we choose an even greater number like 9 and see that we approach 1,000. We know that 512 is approximately half of 1,000, and since we are multiplying by 2's, 10 is a perfect next number. In the 10th trial, 1,024 people are helped, which is reaching our goal of 1,000. To solve this problem is by analyzing a table. We are looking for at least 1,000 people to be helped. Since y is the number of people in this case, we find the y value on the table that is at least 1,000 and look at its corresponding x value. Our x value is the number of trials, so our answer would be 10. The final way to solve this problem is by looking at a graph of the data. We look at the plotted points and see which one has a y value of at least 1,000. We are looking at the y value because in this problem, y represents the number of people. Once we find the y value, we look for its corresponding x value, which represents the number of trials. If you notice, 1,000 has a corresponding x value between 9 and 10, but when it comes to trials, we need a whole number. Since we need at least 1,000 people, we choose the next whole number that gives us at least 1,000. We end up with the same answer of 10 trials. The question was, if in the first trial, 2 people are helped, and in the second trial, the people from the previous trial help 2 more each, on what number trial will at least 1,000 people be helped? There were 3 ways in which we solved this problem. We used an equation, a data table, and a graph.
This concludes our video. We hope you learned something about exponential growth. Bye!